Ever wondered where recycled gold actually goes and how it ends up as those perfect shiny ingots? Let me take you on a quick step-by-step ride. Busted jewelry, old electronics, a bar you could stack like treasure. Step 1. Collection. Gold doesn't just vanish. Retired wedding rings, broken chains, dental scrap motherboards, phone connectors. Buyers and recyclers gather this mixed stream, sort it by source. Jewelry, industrial e-waste. Step 2. Pre-processing. Jewelry gets de-stone cleaned. E-waste is shredded to expose tiny gold-plated parts. Magnets pull out steel, eddy currents grab aluminum, density sort concentrates the heavier, gold-bearing bits. Step 3. Assay. Before anyone melts anything, they test. X-ray fluorescence gives a quick read on carat, copper, silver, nickel. For precision, a fire assay tells you down to tiny decimals how much gold you actually have. Step 4. Smelting. This is where it gets spicy. The mix goes into a high-temp furnace with flux, borax soda ash. The flux grabs oxygen and trashy oxides, forming a glassy slag that floats on top. The heavy molten gold sinks. Step 5. First pour. Buttons or rough bars. Workers skim the slag, pour the gold into preheated graphite molds. Cast iron molds. You get rough buttons, doré bars. Not pure yet, but compact and safe to handle. Step 6. Refining to high purity. Two main paths. Miller process. Bubble chlorine through molten gold base metals react first and head into the slag about 99.5% purity, fast and industrial. Woolwheel process. Dissolves gold into an electrolyte, plates it back onto cathodes atom by atom, slow but insanely pure, up to 99.99%. LBMA grade. Step 7. Casting ingots. Now the fun pour. Foundries preheat molds to avoid thermal shock and porosity. Tiny degassing steps stir to keep temperature even. The pour. A bright, viscous stream that fills the mold like honey with a PhD. Step 8. Cooling and release. As it solidifies, the top forms a shrinkage pipe. That's normal. Once cool, the bar pops out. Surface oxides trimmed and polished, sprues trimmed and polished. Step 9. Verification. Each bar is weighed, ultrasonically checked for internal voids, spot assayed to confirm purity. If it's an investment bar, it gets serial numbers, mint marks, purity stamp, like 999.9, a certificate. Step 10. Back into the world. Those bars don't just sit in vaults. Jewelers alloy them into 14K, alloy into 18K, electronics makers turn them into ultra-thin bonding wire contacts. Dentists, investors, aerospace, all tapping the same atoms that may have been a ring 30 years ago. Here's the cool part. Almost all gold ever mined still exists. Recycling just reroutes it. Every time you see an ingot, you're looking at a time traveler, melted, purified, and reborn for its next job. So that's the journey. Sort, test, smelt, refine.